Seedance 2.5 just came out and it blew my mind. If you don't know what Seedance 2.5 is, it's a new AI video model that can create incredibly realistic videos from just a simple prompt. You don't need to hire influencers to create UGC ads anymore. Seedance 2.5 can create realistic looking UGC videos with just one prompt. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Seedance 2.5 to create UGC ads. You can follow this tutorial completely for free. Click the link below. You can access Make UGC AI. You can try Seedance 2.5 for just $1. Let's get started. First, let's start by feeding the AI some product images. You can upload up to 4 images. For this example, I'm going to upload a few different types of photos. First, a clear front view of the product. Second, a photo showing the inside of the product. Third, a photo of the product being used. And finally, a photo showing the size of the product. For the size photo, it's even better if the product is shown next to another object. It gives the AI a better idea of the actual size by comparing it with something people already know. You can usually find these images very easily from your supplier, or if you already have a product video, you can simply watch the video and take a few screenshots. As you can see here, the images are numbered from 1 to 4. Make sure you also name your images in the same order on your computer, because in the next step, we're going to upload these images and write the script using Claude.
Guys, let's take a quick break from the tutorial, and I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel. It's completely free, and it really helps me stay motivated to make more videos like this. Thank you, and let's get back to the video.
In Claude, I upload all 4 images, and this is the prompt I used. Feel free to copy it below. In the prompt, I asked Claude to create a detailed description of the avatar, the video duration, and specify which image should be used for each scene. Once Claude finishes the script, go back to Make UGC and paste the script that Claude created. Then choose the correct aspect ratio and click Send. And this is the UGC ad that was generated.
If your cat is a picky eater, you need to try this right now. This is Gravy Burst, crunchy kibble on the outside, but with a real chicken gravy center inside. One bite and the gravy just oozes out, smells like real roasted chicken. 100% complete and balanced adult nutrition.
This is the ad it generated on the first try with 0 editing, and it's already good enough to use. The video looks high quality, the images are clear, and there's nothing weird or distracting. The product shots look fantastic. The product looks very close to its real size, and you can see that in the images I uploaded, there's a chair and a cat next to the product. That gives the AI a much better understanding of the product's actual size. The shot showing the inside of the product also looks really good. The transitions are smooth and the whole video feels surprisingly natural. The avatar looks great. No weird hands, no 6-finger nightmare. And think about this. You can create an ad like this in under 10 minutes and start testing it immediately. Before this, if you wanted to create a product video, you had to buy the product, wait for it to arrive, set up a camera, and film everything yourself. Or you had to ship the product to an influencer, hire a freelancer, send emails back and forth, and wait days or even weeks. Now, this entire process can be cut down to under 10 minutes. You can create ad creatives much faster. This script was created in just 5 minutes using Claude. Now, imagine if I spent a little more time writing the script based on viral UGC ads, changed the avatar, tested different hooks, and swapped in different products. This is insane. So, how much does it actually cost? I'm creating these videos using Make UGC AI. Make UGC uses a credit-based pricing system, so the cost of each video depends on how many credits the generation requires. For this test, I'm using the Pro free trial pricing. A 10-second Seedance video costs around 150 credits. Based on the available plans, that works out to roughly $7.47 to $11.18 for one 10-second generation. But if you sign up for the annual plan, you can get 50% off. That brings the cost down to roughly $3.74 to $5.59 for one 10-second generation. That's insanely cheap compared to hiring someone on Fiverr, easily cost around $20 to $50, while more polished UGC ads can cost $100 or more. I don't want to undervalue the work and creativity of human creators. creators. There are incredibly talented people, and good creators bring something that AI can't always replicate. But you also have to look at the reality. These ads look good, and if you can create and test more creatives for a fraction of the traditional cost, this becomes an investment that could potentially generate a return. Now, keep in mind that this is based on the current pricing. It's not necessarily the final long-term pricing. Since Seedance was only recently added to Make UGC, the credit requirements and pricing could change in the future. And there's one more thing you should consider. This is the cost for one generation. If your first result isn't good enough and you need to generate the same scene 2 or 3 more times, the actual cost of creating one usable ad can be higher. So overall, I think it is a really powerful tool for anyone creating ads, especially if you're running an online store, selling products, or doing drop shipping. So those are all my thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.